Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, Move Nation, and now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, and that one we're going to bring on another reasoning on the topic of music news and current affairs. Now, first and foremost, I'm going to state this. Whenever the situation goes sweet, you have to watch for the ants them. And for one young dancehall artist, his arrival to fame has also come at a price. Price of his freedom, friends' lives, and the big target that is now on his career. Now, I'm going to see the video footage of an individual who is said to be from the hometown community of Jahshii, of Grand Spend, who states that the artist has stolen his music. And similarly, Shenseea's new hit single, Dolly, is also rumored to be a stolen song as well. And by now, Shenseea is supposed to use to it. Now I'm going to see the video footage and we'll continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
First thing y'all talk about police and corruption. Oh, you have to tell the people them that I look for defending from the policeman them. You know if you tell them the truth what go on you. You have to just live your life. Ever you say man we keep at it mouth, keep at his life. You can't make them know the police are the biggest corruption youth. You should have keep your mouth shut youth. Okay. People are be fuck we are going now. And I continue making wheel out my song them and make you hear them in the ears in a thief. Boy thief, my song them and me write you know. Yeah, you go and follow him man. I know none believe me man. The boy thief, my song them. You hear that?
What you know say? Jahshii.
I mean?
Now nation, dancehall music is different from that of hip hop. And even Drake has proved that. Once upon a time, to expose an artist and state that even the person who write him sang them, or somebody that sang him a use, and that would have destroy an artist's career. Those days are over. People don't really care who write the songs. All them care about is the artist who's performing them, whether on stage or the artist who them seen in the music video. And for all who wonder if these obstacles being faced by the young entertainer are going to derail his career, no, this is just a learning curve. This is just training for the young entertainer. These are situations that entertainers will go through, especially entertainers who are from inner city communities and who still have friends residing in said inner city communities. And remember, them say repetition is the father of learning and experience teacheth wisdom. So based on the recent situations that Jahshii has been through, he must now take extra steps or precautions to keep his name and his brand away from the negativity. Keeping in mind that the lyrical content when put out in the music, law enforcement are using it to describe the mindset of the artist, which in truth, many songs are just entertainment. And remember, the musical genre, the musical art form is designed for people to put emotion into words, record it, and it becomes music. Now talk to me. I'm going to feel about that individual that I found out and I say, yo, Jahshii take him song. And truth be told, the song to which the individual was referring to was neither Jahshii's breakout hit nor his biggest song to date. I don't feel convincing in his statement. Tell you the truth. Just look like somebody else said something. You see me? But people from the community might know different. People might know this individual, know him as an entertainer too, and know say, alright, you know, there is merit to his story. Talk to me in the comment section. If this individual is an individual you know from the Grand Spend community, as an artist or a DJ who did have a very similar song to keep up, then as I said, the statement might have some substance. For now though, it does look like the empty statements of an individual who wanted his 5 minutes of fame or had an opinion and did want to say it. And because Jahshii's name has been a fixture in the media for a number of days, Maybe him just choose to talk about him. Now Shenseea Nation has definitely found another hit single. And fans have already stated that this track is going to be a dancehall track that will be heavily used even on TikTok. So fans can show off them dolly body and also do the dance move. Now the song features the dancing trio of Spice former dancers TC, Pretty Pretty, and of course Rebel. And the track was used in their YouTube reality show Dancehall Life. Now one particular viral moment from the show has the girls discussing the current situation of Big C. The dancers TC and Pretty Pretty, who now sport quote unquote dolly bodies thanks to plastic surgery, were heard saying life nice and why would they want to be underground, and then stated no duff cut for them dolly body. Overall, slangs, sayings and viral moments being incorporated into music is just a part of entertainment. Many hit songs in dancehall music are from inner city slangs, inner city sayings, and it is the same for any genre of music. Now, on numerous occasions, Shenseea has also gone out of her way to showcase the fact that yes, she does do her own music, write her own stuff, freestyle her own thing, even though some have always stated that that is not the case. Now, for many artists, a co-writer is different from a songwriter or a ghostwriter. A co-writer probably writes the song with you majority of the time. There's input from the actual artist who is doing the track. That is why they co-wrote the song. A ghostwriter will write the entire song and actually sing it and send you the vocals, and then you do the music over with your own vocals, of course, so it will sound different, two different voice. And these tracks are known as reference tracks. So people have always stated that lots of dancehall artists have used reference tracks to make music, to which many of them have denied. Now, I mean, this song, however, is doing very well, Shenseea, and seeing that the start of the year, I mean, first quarter of the dancehall physical year, we need a multitude of dancehall entertainers to put out songs that are not just local hits, but hits on a global scale. Songs that are worldwide phenomenons. Now I mean, songs we hear people in England sing, North America. I would say North America want the whole of Canada involved too. All over British Columbia. The whole of Europe. These are the type of mega hits that we need. I wouldn't need individuals that try to tear down other entertainers at this point. Know what I mean? Artists, fans, stakeholders of the music have always stated that it is the crab in a barrel mentality that has held back dancehall for this amount of years. Even at the 90s, when people love to talk about dancehall, when dancehall is upon, you know, I live where the world was fixed on dancehall music. It was the emerging stages of hip hop. Everything with dancehall, the hip hop want a piece side. But even during that era, you still have artists that fight against artists, and that's why dancehall is not where it should be today. That is why reggae have a category for itself, and they're still saying dancehall is reggae, even though from your look upon a reggae entertainer and you look upon a dancehall entertainer long before them go up on the stage, just see. So these two individuals represent for two different styles of music. From the dress code, even the two of them are Rasta. Even if a Munga up on stage beside Capleton. Even if a Munga beside Capleton, so you look upon these two artists, you realize that them are going to do two different styles of music. But yet still, the situation is what it is currently. Talk to me. I know you feel. Why is the one called Jaden Chase? of course, the Dancehall and the news correspondent. If you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them burden. Check out the channel, reasoning. Join the discussion. Comment section on me 24/7. Never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But you know the sentiments, and for those who don't, my sentiments for you and yours, of course, want to live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned until we reason again.